What's the meaning of cirrus? Cirrus. Cirrus.
Cirrus. Cirrus. Cirrus is a type of cloud that is high up in the atmosphere and appears as thin, white, wispy strands. These clouds are composed of ice crystals and usually occur at altitudes above 20,000 feet. They are often seen in fair weather, but can also indicate an approaching storm. Cirrus clouds are important for weather forecasting as they can provide information about changes in the upper atmosphere. The word cirrus comes from the Latin word meaning a lock of hair, which describes the cloud's appearance of thin, curling strands.